Welcome to the SkyDRM feature training. Today, I will show you the Shared WorkSpace feature. SkyDRM users can have a cloud drive as a shared workspace. The Shared WorkSpace provides a common place to share documents securely between all tenants. To enable the Shared WorkSpace, SkyDRM admin must configure a SharePoint Online as a shared workspace. SkyDRM users in the same tenant can browse this shared workspace in SkyDRM. Users can protect normal files and store the resulting NXL files in the shared workspace. This protected file can then be shared with other users in the same tenant. Now let's see a demo for shared workspace. First, I need to configure the shared workspace. I log in at the SkyDRM tenant admin and I click the link add/manage service providers. I click configure to configure the SharePoint Online as a service provider for the shared workspace. For this demo, I'll name it Demo Shared Workspace. I enter the app key, provide the Azure tenant ID, site address, and document library name. Then I click Save. As you can see, the Demo Shared Workspace is added into SkyDRM. Next, I'll log into SkyDRM Web Client as John Tyler. I can see the Demo Shared Workspace show up automatically once I log in. I click it and enter the shared workspace. I can browse the shared workspace. Here, I go into the demo directory folder. I can see a file here, and I can protect this file. As you can see, the sample doc with the NXL extension has been created. Here, I log into the Windows application as Ted, a different user. After I log into the SkyDRM desktop app, I can see the Demo Shared Workspace. I can browse into the demo directory and see the protected sample doc file with the NXL extension. I can open the file and view the Word doc. I can also add another NXL file into this shared workspace so other users in the tenant can access it. Here, I go to My Vault. I add this file called Ranking the All-Time GOATs into the shared workspace. The file is now added and visible to all other users in the tenant. Finally, I log back into the web application as John Tyler. I go back to the Demo Shared Workspace, go to the Demo folder, and I can see the file Ranking the All-Time GOATs is shared by another user in the workspace. I can open it and view it. With SkyDRM Shared Workspace, users can easily collaborate and share protected files with each other. Thank you for watching this video for SkyDRM features. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Thank you. Have a nice day.